Okay. In the previous lecture, we talked about some initial things of PowerPoint. I told you about to create a new presentation by topic by using the templates, ready-made presentations, which are from here suggested searches, for example, presentation themes, education, charts, diagrams, business. Okay. So uh, these are basically templates and ready to use. But if you want to create a new one from scratch, you will go here on blank presentation, click on here, and the first slide will appear here, and you will get two titles. Number one, well, first title will go here. This is main slide. And this is second title will go here. This is your first slide. The second slide, you can either create it, right click and click on duplicate slide, or copy and paste like that. Or you can create new slide from here. Just click upper side of the button here. Or you can use the Control M. This is the shortcut to create a new slide. And for example, I press Control M from my keyboard. Look, a quick slide will appear here. Again, press Control M, Control M. You can see the same style of the slides, blank slide with the title, big title here and the small title here will be inserted in your PowerPoint presentation. You can change its format after inserting it there, or you can leave it as it is, or you can add your text, your other content. For example, this is to insert table. For example, I click here and I want 5 columns and 5 rows. Okay. Look, you got a table here. So table 1, this is the table. Now click on the next slide. We want here some charts. Click on the chart, and we want this kind of chart or any other kind of chart. Click OK. Look, the chart is inserted here. And as you have studied in Excel, we have created charts in this format. This is category series, and this is series, and this is category. You can change their names. For example, this is category, as we have in the previous lecture of Excel. In the category column, we mentioned the name of students, and in the series, we mentioned the name of subjects. You can change it from here by going there. Just type the names and you will get the result. Okay, and the next slide. Now you can add more, insert smart graphics, pictures, online pictures, even you can insert videos. For example, I click pictures, go and search for the images. For example, insert this image. Okay, this image is inserted here. And Control M for new slide. If I want to add some video, you can go here. If you click here, your local videos will be browsed, or you can insert any video from YouTube. For example, you type here with Amir Beg. Okay, you will find my videos over here. Look. Okay, for example, I click here, search, insert. Or you can set the size from here. Okay, now this is main slide, and this is again other main slide. This is the duplicate of the first slide. I'm going to delete it. Just hit delete to delete it. And from this slide, click on this slideshow, right? Or click on F5. F5. From keyboard, there are a series of buttons, F1, F2, F3. Do you remember that the renaming shortcut?
F2.
Yeah, F2. In the same line, there is F5 key. F5 is the shortcut key to trigger the presentation directly by shortcut, or you can click here. Down beneath on the right side, click on slideshow, and you will see, you will, when you will click, the second slide will come. Just keep on clicking, and you will get the, you will keeping on getting the next slides. Right? This is our video. When I will click, it will show video here. Okay, video is playing, but due to some reasons, it's not displaying. Yeah. Okay. Right. Video is not playing because it have to download it from the YouTube, or you can delete it, and I can insert video from my computer, from here, from file. Let's see whether it work or not from my local drive. And
सफाई की वीडियो शेयर नहीं करते।
Yes, it's working here.
जिस आदमी के पास हुनर होता है वो कभी भूखा नहीं मरता, तो वो हुनर एक जमाने तक ऑफलाइन वर्ल्ड के अंदर।
Okay, local videos are working, but there is problem in YouTube videos. Anyhow, you can insert video from this link, and you can insert online images from here. You already know this. Just search here, enter here some keywords to search the images, and hit enter to get the results. Okay, that's great. Now, in the same way, I will save this file either from clicking on this small disk, or you have the shortcut key of Control S to save. As I have told you, most of the shortcuts are formed by the combination of Control plus first letter of the command. So to save any file, the shortcut will be Control S. Or you can save it by going on File tab and click on Save. In computer, click on Browse, or you can save it on the desktop. And you will type here the name and you will hit enter, or you will click the save button. That's all. Your file is saved. Your file is saved with the name of where it's gone, PowerPoint. This, yes. This is main slide. Now this is your saved file. Or you can access this this slide anytime by double clicking it. You remember yesterday or in the previous lecture, we have designed this slideshow.
Yes.
This one, right? This slideshow we created by using a ready-made template. And now we have, at the moment, we have two slideshows. One is this, and the other is that, this one. You can use any one of them. Okay, I gonna use this one, which we have created from the scratch, and so that we can add minor and some details in it manually of my own choice. Now, for example, I want to change the font style and the size and other things. You have learned many of things in MS Word and in MS Excel before, just like a drawing tool. These are the shapes you have already, you know how to use these shapes, and you know how to use this shape fill, shape outline, shape effects, and arrange the shapes, bring to front, bring to back, bring forward, align, rotate. For example, you have this one rectangle, then this is circle, and click on the format, and you can change the color. Again, go to home, and I insert another shape. You can also change its color by going shape fill. Now you can see Star is on the top of circle and rectangle. But I want this star in between circle and rectangle. Then what you will do? You will click arrange and you will click send backward. Okay, send backward or bring forward. Send backward and bring forward mean one step back or one step ahead. But if I will click on send to back, it will go all the ways back to all the shapes. Look, send to back mean if there are hundreds of the shapes, you will get your shapes behind all the shapes. In this way, if I want to bring this star in front of all the shapes, whether they are in many numbers, no matter, click on bring to front. Look, bring to front mean in front of all the shapes. So this is a range, and also, for example, I change the size. I'm going to a little smaller, and the circle smaller. Now I want to align all these shapes in center. Select all the shapes, arrange, align center, then align middle. Wow, beautiful. In this way, if you want to make a crescent, right? For example, take a shape from here. And copy this circle, exact this one, copy paste, look, and make it little bit smaller and place it here. Change its color to white. Click on format, fill, click on white. Remove the outline, no outline. Also click the bigger circle, remove the outline, no outline. Or oh, no, this is text. Sorry, this is shape outline, no outline. And this, no outline. Okay, now, do you see? It looks like a crescent moon. And now you can place it star here, and from align, arrange, align, bring to front. Look. Is it interesting?
Yes.
Abdullah, we will wait for Azan for 1 minute. Okay. Okay, right, Abdullah. Welcome back. Now, in this way, you can make many of things, right? If I remove it from here and make this star a little bigger, place it here, format, shape outline none, and shape fill white. Look, it will become a cut in the circle. Look, you can also make this Pac-Man. So there are lots of ways to use the shape or to use the multiple shapes to make new things. Right. Now I want this slide, for example, I want to change the font style or the color. You know this already. You can do this by going on Home tab. From here, font and font size and colors, all those things. But I want to change the design of the slide. I want to change all over look of the slide. So go to design and you may found a lot of designs here. For example, I click on this one, this. Okay. Now you can see all the slides have been changed. The same colors, the same color scheme. Change any one other. This one, look. And this one, and this one, and this one. And even you can change their independent colors, effects, background styles. Look. When you apply on the one slide, it will be changed on all the slides, because this color scheme is for your presentation. Okay, but if you want to edit one slide, right click and click format background. Look, from here, this is preset gradient. For example, I make it this. Now you will see only the one slide color scheme is changed. The other are intact. Okay, you can change from here. You can change the colors from here. brightness. Everything you can change from here. You can solid fill and green fill, picture or text fill or pattern fill. You already know these all things. Click on second slide, click on background, right click on the background, click on format background. From here, you can change its background to another shade. Click this one and preset gradient. Here you can put pictures or a texture. Okay, for example, this is texture. Okay, and from here you can change the texture. You can change the transparency of the texture. This is the offset. You can shift right or left, and you can make its scale smaller or bigger. The last slide, you can change color to pattern fill. Right. You can change any kind of a pattern here. Okay, this is the pattern. Now you can see all the 4 slides have different backgrounds with different colors, and you can individually change every colors. You can individually change every font and every slide's background, and save it again. Click on this disk, or just click on File and click Save, or click from your keyboard, press Ctrl S. Okay. For example, if I select from this section, for example, I click on this one, you will see, or this one. Okay. And if I right click, I click apply to the selected slide, it will apply only on this slide. Okay. For example, if I right click, apply to all slides. Look, it is applied on all the slides. If I click here, I want this slides as this one. Right click, apply to selected slide. Then click this one, apply to selected slide. Click here and apply this one, apply to selected slide, and apply to selected slide. Now look, every slide have now different format, different backgrounds. But normally we don't do like that, because we want the harmony between all the slides, the similarities. So right click and click on apply to all slides. Now in this way, you will be having the same slide color scheme and pattern. After home, you have in home you have layout. Okay, For example, this slide, I want to change its layout, or I want to delete, or I want to add some new things. Click on insert, click on layout. And I want this, for example, 3 picture columns. You can see it converted the same table into 3 picture columns. This is the table. I'm going to delete this table. Click here and insert this picture. Click here, insert this picture. Click here and insert this picture. No, and you can add your title here. Okay. Now my slide, this slide has been reformatted with the new style. And for example, I click again on layout and I don't want like this. I want this like this. Click here. Look, it converted into the other style layout, or click here. Right. And for example, the last slide, I want layout like this. Now you have 2 columns, this one and this one, and you can choose one of them to insert the related data. Click to save. You have also a button to show the slideshow on the top, and that is this. You can click on this also to start the slideshow. Any slide you can duplicate, you can delete from here, and you can arrange them according to your ease. For example, I want this slide here, or this slide here, and this slide I want at the end, and the first slide I want here or here. And you can shuffle them according to your ease. And for example, I want all slides to be reset. For example, right click and click on reset slide. Right click and reset slide. Reset. Okay. If you have applied any extra formation on it, it will be converted into the normal slides. See another reset. Yeah, look, first its font was like that, Okay. When I click on reset, look, its font become normal. It do not reset the design and colors. It only resets the format of the font and colors like that. For example, you change the font into red color and Arial black and this size, right? And here I click right click and click on reset. Look, red color gone, font style, font size reset to the default. So this means the reset, how it resets the slides. You can select multiple slides like that, click, then hold control button and keep on selecting. For example, I click this and I click this. I selected 2 slides and now click right click and click on duplicate slides. You will see 2 slides are duplicated, this one and this one. So in this way, you can duplicate the slides, you can move slides, you can copy paste, cut paste, you can reset it, you can apply a new designs, new format, and you can change the text styles, text fonts, all those things, right? And Abdullah, have you got today's lecture?
Yes.
Is there any problem?
No problem.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Thank you very much. So how was your weekend?
Very good.
That's nice. And did you enjoy it?
Yes, I enjoyed it very much.
Okay, thank you very much, Abdullah. Take care, be happy, and inshallah see you tomorrow. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh.